Hello, my name is Casey Hallett and I'm the coordinator of certificates here at Harvard Extension School. This short video reviews the liberal arts and science certificates offered here at the Harvard Extension School. It consists of 16 graduate certificates and one undergraduate certificate. Here's a list of the 16 graduate certificates and additional one undergraduate certificate I will be going over in this video. Arts, Literature, and Media Certificates. We have 5 Arts, Literature, and Media Certificates offered at the Harvard Extension School. The first 3 are listed on this slide. American Literature and Culture Certificate. Deepen your understanding of American literary works and cultural themes with this certificate. The next is the Digital Storytelling Certificate. You can learn how to produce and distribute journalistic content through engaging, innovative digital formats. And the Museum Study Certificate. Gain a deeper understanding of what it takes to be an agile museum practitioner for the 21st century museum. Now, all 3 of these certificates are 4-course or 16-credit certificates. For these certificates, 16 credits can be accomplished by completing 3 4-credit certificate courses and 2 2-credit certificate courses, or the typical 4 4-credit certificate courses. And they all have to be done at graduate level credit. Moving along, the other 2 current arts, literature, and media certificates offered at Harvard Extension School. Philosophy and Ethics Certificate, a 4-course certificate, gives students the chance to explore questions of human existence and knowledge, truth, ethics, and the nature and meaning of life through some of history's greatest thinkers. And the Visual Arts Certificate, a 3-course certificate which gives students the chance to explore and analyze the arts in their context through observation, hands-on artistic creative processes, and academic study. Moving along, education certificates. We currently offer 3 education certificates. First, the Learning Design and Technology Certificate is a 4-course certificate requiring a single course from 4 different subject areas as seen listed. This is also an IT certificate, so we have more information listed in the IT video about the Learning Design and Technology Certificate. So to learn more about that certificate, check out the IT certificates video. Next, the Math Leadership Certificate, a 4-course certificate. Students gain transformational skills in math teacher leadership, including coaching and mentoring. That also has 4 courses in 4 different subject areas. Lastly, the Religious Studies and Education Certificate is a 5-course certificate jointly sponsored by Harvard Divinity School and Harvard Extension School. Students must complete 2 required courses and 3 elective courses to be eligible for the Religious Studies and Education Certificate. Global Studies Certificates. Harvard Extension School offers 4 Global Studies certificates, which are all 4-course certificates. We offer a broad-based international relations certificate that explores relations between countries. If you are more interested in issues impacting national and international security, you may be interested in our International Security Certificate. Our certificate in nuclear deterrence is a very focused certificate developed in consultation with the United States Air Force. This certificate has 3 required courses that help you understand the history, politics, and deterrence theory, plus 1 elective that allows you to dive more deeply into the related topic of most interest to you. The last Global Studies certificate is the Religions of the World certificate, and this is also a 4-course certificate. Life Science certificates. Harvard Extension School currently has 3 life science certificate options. These are all 4-course certificates. Bioinformatics certificate. You can learn to identify, compile, analyze, and communicate complex biological and genetic data. The biotechnology management certificate. Gain skills to effectively lead teams working in the field of biotechnology. And lastly, Topics in Biology certificate. Deepen your understanding of advanced concepts in the field of biology. Social Sciences and Cultural Studies certificates. We offer a new Health and Society certificate. This is a 4-course certificate. You will learn to address systemic health inequities, and how they impact public policy and business practices. Social Justice certificate. We offer both a 4-course graduate social justice certificate and a 3-course undergraduate social justice certificate. In the graduate level social justice certificate, you will select one required course that looks at economic, political, and/or social rights through a lens of at least 2 of the following topics: ethnicity, gender, wealth, class, race, and religion. You then have 3 electives with which you can dive more deeply into the area of most interest to you. The undergraduate social justice certificate is a 3-course certificate. While this is a shorter credential, it offers less flexibility in terms of courses available. If you might be interested in applying your coursework towards a master's degree, be sure to pursue the graduate level social justice certificate and select graduate level when you register for courses. Certificate advising. Now that we've gone over those certificates, I want to offer what we do for advising. So we offer weekly open virtual office hours where students can drop in and ask certificate-related questions. The virtual office hour link is listed here. It's https://projects.iq.harvard.edu/graduate certificates. On that page, there's a Zoom room link to the virtual office hour, which takes place every Wednesday from 12 to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at the moment. If for some reason you don't want to come to virtual office hours and need a question answered sooner, you can always email us at graduate_certificates@extension.harvard.edu for graduate certificate questions, or at undergraduate_certificates@extension.harvard.edu for undergraduate certificate related questions. That concludes this short video on liberal arts and science certificates. I wanted to thank you very much for taking the time to join us today, and please feel free to reach out with any questions you might have.